Are you dreaming of the warmth of wood for your interiors, but worried about moisture, warping, and maintenance? What if you could have the authentic beauty of wood with none of the headaches? Introducing our indoor WPC panels, the Revolutionary, a solution that brings a new level of elegance and durability to your walls. Our WPC is crafted to perfection, with stunningly realistic wood grains and a rich, natural texture. It's the perfect way to add sophistication and warmth to any space, from your living room to your office. But the real magic is beneath the surface. WPC is completely waterproof and moisture resistant. This makes it the ideal choice for high humidity areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and basements, places where traditional wood could never go. It's also incredibly lightweight and easy to install, transforming your space in a fraction of the time. Once it's up, you'll never have to worry about scratches or damage. WPC is built to last. So stop compromising between style and functionality. Choose a material that gives you the best of both worlds. It's the beauty of wood, engineered for real life.